An enterprise architect need to know what a business is, how and why it operates the way it does. This is very, very interesting. This is the first statement that is quite striking. So when you see this, an enterprise architect needs to know what a business is, how and why it operates the way it does. It doesn't say the enterprise architect need to know what a technology is, but what a business is, how and why. This is a very, very strong statement that every one of us need to remember by heart. We need to know what a business is, how and why it operates the way it does. Why? Why ISA created this title as a so-called opening content? This is the reality, because as we create the solution, the effectiveness of this solution can lead to business success or business failure. Business failure. Have we thought about that? Whatever we say, whatever we do, it can either come out to outcome, contribute to business success or business failure. And of course, we don't want to be delivering a business failure. We want to deliver business success. So how do we do that? So the context of the title now makes sense. Yeah? The second one is that architects need to understand the type of business environment. So basically, first thing first, you need to know what business you are in. Are you working in the government? Are you working in the ministry? Are you working in the agency? Or you are working in the independent body? Or you are working in the profit-centric company? You are working in the listed company? You need to understand your business environment very, very well. And you need to understand the goal and objective of the key stakeholders and the problem domain. So basically, key stakeholders are all the leadership team in your organization. You need to start understanding what actually they are concerned. What makes them cannot sleep at night? How can I help them? This is the mandate for every architect to be successful. And the architecture we create must be consumable by the business in such a way that lead to business success and be relevant and actionable to the business and its goal. This is also a very, very strong statement. The architecture we create must be consumable by the business, not by the IT, but by the business. This slide contains a secret for a successful IT professional today, regardless whether you already become an enterprise architect practitioner, or you want to become an enterprise architect, or you are a software developer, or you are the system analyst. This slide contains a very, very meaningful insight about what is the purpose of us working using the technology. What is the purpose of us working as an IT professional? Yeah. So basically, we need to make sure that all what we deliver must be consumable by the business in such a way that lead to business success and be relevant and actionable to the business. So it's not about the coolest and the sexiest technology out there, but about what we propose as a solution that delivering value to the business.